Yes, welcome to YouTube channel Lingaredi Chemistry JE NEET. Carbonyl compounds. The last topic in this chapter, benzaldehyde. The benzaldehyde preparations, properties, all reactions together we'll discuss in this video. The benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, also known as oil of bitter almonds. The benzaldehyde structure, benzene ring in the above C double bond OH. This is the benzaldehyde. Right? Preparation of this benzaldehyde. From benzene we can prepare this benzaldehyde. Reaction with CO plus HCl. CO plus HCl. It is a named reaction, Gutterman-Koch reaction. Gutterman-Koch reaction. As well, we can prepare टोलिन. दैट मीन्स बेंजीन के ऊपर एक मिथाइल ग्रुप है. दिस मिथाइल ग्रुप को हम ऑक्सीडेशन करना है. द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट इज क्रोमाइल क्लोराइड. इट इज अ नेम्ड रिएक्शन, इटॉड रिएक्शन. In the named reaction directly, sometimes in the board you can see the previous year's questions. Direct write the इटॉड reaction. So इटॉड में कुछ information नहीं है, what is the reactant, what is the product. So even though you have to remember, itod means from toluene to benzaldehyde. If you know that much, toluene to benzaldehyde, obviously एक oxidizing reagent होगा, that is chromyl chloride. You can remember like that. Then Rosenmund reaction, that is acid chloride, benzoyl chloride. The structure is benzoyl chloride, PHC डबल बॉन्ड वो Cl. बेंजाइल क्लोराइड, जस्ट ये क्लोरीन के जगह पे हाइड्रोजन आता है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दैट? पैलाडियम बेरियम सल्फेट is also known as Lindlar's catalyst. It is also known as Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst. इसमें क्या है डिफरेंस? Lindlar's and this one, palladium and calcium carbonate is Lindlar's catalyst. We used this reaction from alkyne to alkene. Okay, here acid chloride to benzaldehyde, benzyl chloride to benzaldehyde. Next, SnCl is a good reducing agent, cyanide to benzaldehyde, cyanobenzene or benzonitrile is also known as benzonitrile to benzaldehyde. It is a good reducing agent. We can prepare benzonitrile to benzaldehyde by dibal also. Diisobutyl aluminum. Okay, that is also aluminum hydride. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. It is also converting into benzaldehyde. Next, calcium benzoates. From calcium benzoate also I will show you the mechanism, simple. So calcium benzoate we are taking and calcium formate we are taking. Calcium benzoate and calcium formate. You can see the mechanism here. Okay, calcium benzoate and calcium formate we are taking. By heating these compounds, the byproduct is calcium carbonate. We are taking calcium formate and calcium benzoate. By heating, calcium carbonate is forming like this. Here also calcium carbonate is forming. So here one H and HC double bond is there, PH and PHC double bond is there. So two conditions. Suppose I am taking A, B and C, D. Suppose here A plus D is there. A plus D को लिख दो इधर, PHC double bond OH, benzaldehyde. Then I am writing here B plus C. That is also benzaldehyde we are getting. Benzaldehyde. Of course, some other combination also possible. Benzene A plus C में it is forming benzene. B plus D में it is forming other compounds. Okay, so benzaldehyde also maximum 50% is there. So benzaldehyde is forming from this cal. Next reaction, aqueous KOH. In the presence of aqueous KOH, what will happen? This benzyl position chlorine is there. The chlorine will be replaces by OH. CCl becoming COH. Okay, this is the functioning of aqueous KOH is chlorine जगह पे OH आता है. ठीक है, it replaces the chlorine with OH. So here two chlorines are there, so two OH groups will come. Then on same carbon two OH groups are unstable, we know that. So water molecule is releasing, so it becomes C double bond O, C double bond O H, C double bond O H, already one H is there. Okay, it is also forming benzaldehyde. Then oxidizing agents, mild oxidizing agent, benzyl alcohol is there, so benzyl carbon easily get oxidized into benzaldehyde. Then erythrophene, that is CH26 and 4 times, so it is known as erythrophene. This is also reacting with the benzyl chloride and forming benzaldehyde. Then it looks like a Grignard reagent, phenyl magnesium bromide. It is react with ethyl formate. See, phenyl magnesium bromide, phenyl magnesium bromide react with formate, maybe ethyl formate. It is reacting, so the mechanism is just like Grignard reagent only. R is reacting like this. So phenyl is attacking at the carbonyl, the oxygen getting minus charge, hydrogen remaining same, O ethyl. So O MgBr will come here, Mgr plus. Next step, this O minus coming back, rearranging. O ethyl is good living group. So the next step, C double bond OH. So benzaldehyde is forming. Okay, this is also one of the preparation. Next, again benzene react with HCN, HCl, H2O, HCN and HCl. Then the second step we are doing hydrolysis, that is Gattermann reaction. Gattermann reaction. We can prepare by these many methods. We can prepare benzaldehydes. Next, chemical properties. Chemical properties of benzaldehyde. See, this benzaldehyde react with HCN. See, HCN say benzaldehyde structure is C double bond OH. So HCN may H plus Cn minus. So Cn minus will attack here, H will attack here. Okay, you can see here PH carbon OH and one hydrogen as it is, the other one is Cn. H is as it is Cn. So the first compound is over. Okay, next NaHCO3, mechanism is same. Na plus HSO3 minus. Initially it is forming, I will show you the mechanism again. NaHSO3, right? Benzaldehyde reaction with NaHSO3. Initially Na plus and HSO3 minus, it is splitting, so HSO3 is attacking here, so PH O minus, उसके बाजू में Na plus, हाइड्रोजन एज इट इज SO3H. ओके, ये दोनों में इट इज अल्का ऑक्साइड इज द sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid is the more stronger acid, so this protonation shift, proton shift takes place. Proton shift. So the proton shift takes place and forming next step PH OH hydrogen as it is SO3 minus Na plus. So this is the final product. Okay, here proton shift is there. Why? What is the reason? This is the good acid, strong acid. स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड मतलब क्या है, वो H प्लस डोनेट करते हैं, इसलिए दिस इज डोनेटिंग H प्लस, दिस H प्लस इज गोइंग अटैकिंग ऑन द ऑक्सीजन. नेक्स्ट, whenever amines related compounds are there, simply you have to do just removing the water molecule. Okay, suppose benzaldehyde is there, benzaldehyde is there, here NH2, just remove this H2O, just remove the NH, nitrogen and whatever Z group is there, so you will get like this, oxygens, hydrozones, like that. Then red phosphorus and iodine, red phosphorus and iodine is a good reducing, strong reducing agent, strong reducing agent. Almost all functional groups converting into alkanes, converting into alkanes is a stronger reducing agent. We know that lithium aluminum hydride is there, lithium LaH, lithium aluminum hydride, but it is converting into up to alcohols, but this red phosphorus and Hi is converting into direct alkanes. Okay, वो alkanes तक करने वाला एक Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction also present, Wolff-Kishner and Clemmensen, but that is, those are specific, वो सिर्फ carbonyl compound to alkane, but this red phosphorus and Hi is almost converting into all functional group into alkanes. Now if you do the oxidation, already तो aldehyde है, next step में तो क्या होगा, carboxylic acid. If you do that oxidation, then PCl5, the PCl5 में whatever C double bond O group is there, the C double bond O becoming C, it is substituted by 2 chlorines, oxygen is substituted by 2 chlorines. Okay, then this aldehyde is giving silver mirror test. In the last class we discussed aldehydes are giving silver mirror test, that is also known as Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent का chemical composition ammonical silver nitrate, actually ammonium hydroxide plus AgNO3 combination, it is forming a complex, that is Tollens reagent. Next, base, ये बेंजाल्डिहाइड है, बेस दिया मतलब aldol and केनेजेरो, इसमें अल्फा हाइड्रोजन नहीं है इसलिए तो केनेजेरो रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस. केनेजेरो में क्या है, वो रिडक्शन एंड ऑक्सीडेशन सेम मॉलिक्यूल, दैट मीन्स डिस्प्रोपोर्शनेशन रिएक्शन. उसमें क्या होता है, वन मॉलिक्यूल इज गेटिंग ऑक्सीडेशन, द अदर मॉलिक्यूल इज गेटिंग रिडक्शन. Here we are taking only benzaldehyde, so benzaldehyde becoming benzyl alcohol as well as benzoic acid. वो बेसिक है इसलिए बेंजोएट होता है, सोडियम बेंजोएट. If you do the hydrolysis, you will get it benzoic acid. If you take suppose benzaldehyde and formaldehyde, obviously formaldehyde becoming acid, benzaldehyde becoming alcohol. अभी इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एक ही बेंजाल्डिहाइड ले रहे हैं इसलिए वन इज कन्वर्टिंग इनटू एसिड, अदर वन इज कन्वर्टिंग इनटू अल्कोहल. नेक्स्ट, बेंजाल्डिहाइड प्लस और NH2, कभी भी NH2 आ गए मतलब हमारा काम ये की है, वाटर को निकालना है, H2O निकालना है, वॉट एवर हियर, ठीक है, N के ऊपर. ओके, सॉरी, वी आर टेकिंग द बेंजाल्डिहाइड, यस. सो सिर्फ वाटर को निकालना है बस. नेक्स्ट, पिंक कलर, स्किप्स रिएजेंट, स्किप्स टेस्ट, टोलेंस इज गिविंग सिल्वर मिरर टेस्ट, स्किप्स इज गिविंग पिंक कलर. ओ स्किप्स था एक्चुअली, दिस रिएक्शन वी डिस्कस्ड इन द लास्ट वीडियो. दीज आर द डिस्टिंग्विश्ड टेस्ट. इट इज कलरलेस, इट इज reacting with aldehyde and giving pink color, that means Skipp's test is positive. Next, AlCl3, aluminum chloride or aluminum alkoxide. In that case, Tischenko reaction is giving this. Tischenko reaction Next, Tishenko reaction. What is the Tishenko reaction? Benzaldehyde reaction with aluminum chloride or aluminum alkoxide. Aluminum alkoxide. Okay, so this aluminum is a Lewis acid. So what will happen? Lewis acid, it is reacting with this oxygen. Lone pair is there. So obviously here carbocation is forming, partially negative charge, partially positive charge. So next, one more benzaldehyde is reacting with this oxygen here. Next, you can write it here, PHC oxygen. This is the place. Here it is aluminum or taken thrice plus PH and H. Okay, this is the reaction. This one is attacking here because aluminum is attacked here. Now whenever it is coming back, this hydrogen is shifted to here. This hydrogen is shifted to here. Then as to identify easily, so this star one is CH2, oxygen as it is, then C double bond O PH. Okay, this hydrogen bus. So this is the product. Tishenko reaction. Tishenko reaction, it is a ester, formation of ester. Benzaldehyde reaction with aluminum alkoxide. Aluminum alkoxide is giving one type of ester. Now next, benzaldehyde is reacting with Grignard reagent, again RMGX or phenyl magnesium bromide. We are getting alcohol. This mechanism already we discussed. Next, it is rare reaction. It is reaction with chlorine. Benzaldehyde to direct benzoyl chloride is giving. इसका इतना ज़्यादा mechanism नहीं है. Then it is reaction with ammonia. Benzaldehyde reaction with ammonia, same mechanism whatever I explained before. The H2O निकालना है. So two molecules are there. So two molecules of ammonia react with two molecules of benzaldehyde, removing 2 times water molecule. Okay, here one more hydrogen, here one more hydrogen is there, and with these two hydrogens and third benzaldehyde oxygen releasing water molecule here. Okay, you can see here mechanism simple, just removal of water molecule. Next, benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation में we are getting alpha hydroxy ketones. Alpha hydroxy ketones are forming. The benzoin condensation takes place in the presence of alkaline cation. Alkaline cation. The product is alpha hydroxy carbonyl compound. Alpha hydroxy ketone or alpha hydroxy carbonyl compound. Then Perkin reaction. In the Perkin reaction, we are taking an acid anhydride and same acid salt we are taking. Acid anhydride and same acid salt we are taking. So here also the mechanism is simple, just removal of water molecule. You can see, I will write it here. This CH3 C double bond O O N A. Yes, remove this water molecule. Okay, so double bond CH COOH, carboxylic acid, Perkin reaction. So what we are taking, the reactants are important here. Mechanism में almost same है. This H2O always from alpha hydrogens. always from hydrogen, alpha hydrogens only removing. Next, nitrostyrene is forming with nitromethane, with nitromethane. See, styrene means, first of all, styrene means benzene, vinyl benzene को styrene बोलते हैं. Vinyl benzene, this is the vinyl benzene. This carbon is called vinyl carbon. Vinyl position में phenyl is there, vinyl benzene. So this is common name is styrene. In the styrene, see, you can see this much is styrene. In the styrene, nitro group is there. So nitrostyrene. अभी वो कैसे फॉर्मेशन हो गया? मैकेनिज्म इज अगेन सेम, जस्ट रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. सी दिस ऑक्सीजन एंड दिस H2O निकाल दो. PH बेंजीन को मैं PH भी लिख सकते, PH CH डबल बॉन्ड, PH CH डबल बॉन्ड, CHNO2 सेम. नेक्स्ट, cinnamic acid formation, reformers reaction. Here again water same. In the presence of zinc, this alpha position say this halogen and hydrogen both are removing and forming double bond. So cinnamic acid का formula ये होता है benzene ring CH double bond, ये तो benzaldehyde था, ऑक्सीजन निकल गया from this alpha position hydrogen, CHCOOH. This is the cinnamic acid. Actually इधर ester था, but second step में क्या है? We are doing hydrolysis. That's why वो carboxylic acid बन गया. Actually इधर ester will come. Okay, but we are doing hydrolysis. That's why we are getting carboxylic acid. Next, nitration test. See benzaldehyde is electron withdrawing group. So see the mechanism here. Due to this electron withdrawing group, in the benzene, ortho position and para position, positive charges are there. Okay, positive charge, partially positive charge. Then if you do the nitration में क्या था? electrophile NO2 plus, where it will attack wherever electron density is more. Obviously it will attack at meta position. That's why we are getting meta nitro benzaldehyde. See, similarly fuming H2SO4 sulfuric acid, then metaformyl benzene sulfonic acid we are getting. If you do the chlorination, same ये भी metachloro benzaldehyde we are getting. Then if you react with ketone in the presence of base, it is nothing but crossed aldol condensation. Crossed aldol में क्या होता है? अल्फा हाइड्रोजन शुड बी प्रेजेंट. द बेसिक मीडियम में अल्फा हाइड्रोजन. अभी क्या है? सिंपल डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट आई कैन राइट इट. अगेन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूविंग, अल्फा पोजिशन से हाइड्रोजन, दिस ऑक्सीजन. सो दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट. सो benzaldehyde topic is complete. Carbonyl compounds over. Then next topic is carboxylic acid. We can start carboxylic acid, and we will solve that PYQs also. PYQs we can solve JEE and NEET. Till that, just you watch the videos and share it, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.